Alright YouTube, welcome back to my channel, man. So in today's video we got a banger video for y'all. So if most of y'all don't know what I do on my channel, I play a bunch of Warzone games and take the good and the bad clips out of that and just try to create a content around that. So hopefully y'all like my content. I really appreciate if y'all could drop a like on this video too, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, and let's jump right into the video. Peace.
Shit! I'm taking fire!
Go on. Oh my god. I'm cracked.
They gave me a fucking pistol.
Yeah, so I'm going to load it.
He got me before.
Oh, somebody's landing. Come on, team, what y'all doing?
God. That's what I'm saying, bro. Where is the help? Shit. He's at the top. Why y'all come to bad me, bro? Okay. He's right here.
My shit's fucking off, bro. Who that fossil like that?
Oh!
You lost the enemy track.
Back at it.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh my god, bro.
I got sniped. I'm back there. Coming back. I'm pulling up.
They landing in too. I got to beat the shit out of somebody. Hold on. Might go down.
Primary objective is to kill them all. Contract confirmed. Located a supply box. Secure that position.
He knew exactly where it was. Oh, bullshit, dude.
Movement!
You're safe. You lost the enemy trackers. You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Movement!
Fuck it. They just sniped me in the